In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating a professional document design in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to build documents that look polished, read smoothly, and make the most of Word's powerful design tools. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start with the foundation: consistency, clarity, and readability. Consistency is the biggest giveaway of professional work, and the easiest way to achieve it is by using styles. Instead of manually changing fonts and sizes, apply built-in Heading 1, Heading 2, and Normal from the Home tab. This not only creates a unified look, it also unlocks features like the navigation pane and an automatic table of contents later on. Next, give your content room to breathe. Strategic white space is your best friend. Don't crowd text to save pages. Use generous margins, add space before and after paragraphs, and keep space around images so your layout feels clean and modern. For typography, keep it simple and readable. Choose 2 to 3 professional fonts at most. A classic approach is a serif font, such as Garamond or Georgia, for body text, and a clean sans serif, like Calibri or Arial, for headings. This contrast improves hierarchy without visual clutter. Color should be purposeful and accessible. In the Design tab, pick a professional color palette and stick to your primary brand colors. Always maintain high contrast between text and background so your document is easy to read on screen and in print. Now let's put Word's design features to work. In the Design tab, try a theme to instantly align fonts and colors across the whole file. If you need a strong start, insert a pre-designed cover page from the Insert tab for a polished first impression. In the Layout tab, set custom margins to create breathing room and use columns when you want specific sections, like an introduction or sidebar, to read more like a magazine. For complex reports, manage sections carefully. Insert a next page section break from layout, then assign different formatting rules to each section. For example, use Roman numerals for front matter such as a table of contents and switch to Arabic numerals for the main body, all within one document. Elevate structure with visuals. Insert SmartArt to build clean diagrams and process flows without leaving Word. When adding images, right-click, choose Wrap Text, and select Square, Tight, or Top and Bottom to keep text flowing naturally around visuals. Finally, if you used heading styles, generate a professional, clickable table of contents from the References tab in one click. For design inspiration, browse examples and notice how spacing, hierarchy, and layout guide the reader's eye. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.